Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I was supposed to do a talk through in this video, but I kept coughing, so we're gonna do a voiceover. I was sick then, and I'm still sick right now, so my voice might sound a little bit weird. Anyway, I'm just filling in my brows with the Anastasia Dip Brow in Chocolate. For eyes, we're going to be using the Soft Glam palette by Anastasia. For the first shade, I'm gonna go in with the shade called Tempera. I think that's how it's pronounced. And I'm just gonna put that all over the lid since we primed our lid with the concealer, and you need to obviously set it or it's just gonna crease. And then for the next two shades, I'm gonna mix Burnt Orange and Sienna and put that right into our crease. Next, we're gonna go in with the shade called Mulberry. Man, I hope I'm pronouncing all these shades right. And we're just gonna deepen our crease, the outer crease, give that smoky effect. I actually wasn't sure what look I was going for, but here I'm just trying to go in with the darker shade called Noor and kind of give that smoky liner effect. And then I'm gonna cut the crease. And to get that perfect cut crease, I put a little bit of concealer on top of my eyelash, like my lash line, and looked up. That way, wherever the concealer hits indicates where your crease should be, if that makes any sense. Now I'm just gonna go in with the Amrezy highlighter by Anastasia and put that all over the lid. I tried putting it with the brush, and because it was like a brand new product, I think you have to kind of like scrape the top bit to get the actual pigment out. So I had to do that, and then I tried it with my finger, and then I finally got the pigment. Then I just did my liner off camera. I used the Kat Von D tattoo liner, and I also used the Huda Beauty lashes in Farah. Now I'm going in with Anastasia Beverly Hills Stick Foundation in Warm Natural. Also, I have gotten a lot of questions about the brush I use when I don't use a beauty blender to blend in my foundation. It's this one brush I got in a ABH Cosmetics brush set. I honestly don't know what it's called. It was like a 5-piece set. To do some color correcting, I'm going in with NYX Cosmetics Dark Circle Concealer in medium. Just gonna blend it in with my beauty blender. For concealer, I'm going in with Makeup Revolution Concealer in C6. I did a whole video about this concealer. You can go check it out if you want to see what I thought about it. To set under my eyes, I'm going to be using Makeup Forever Artist Face Color little powders, the pressed powders, in the shade H100. It's so soft, you guys. I love it. And then to set all over the face, I'm going in with Giorgio Armani face powder in number 2, I believe. I'll list all the correct details down below. For contour, I'm going in with Anastasia Beverly Hills Contour Kit, the original one. I'm using the shade Java and Havana. I'm just gonna bronze up and contour at the same time. And then I'm just taking the shade Mulberry again from the Soft Glam palette and putting that on my bottom lash line. Here I'm going in with Lancome mascara. For blush, I'm using Eternal Sun by MAC. It's one of my favorites. Now for highlight, this is the first time I'm putting it on my cheeks, and I was so excited. Look at my look at that. It's the Amrezy highlighter by Anastasia Beverly Hills. It looks so good on the skin. It gives that wet effect. It's so good, you guys. I don't know how else to describe it. For lip liner, I'm going in with Essence lip liner. I think it's called In the Nude. And then for lipstick, I'm going in with Jouer Cosmetics liquid lipstick in or lip cream in creme brulee. The lips looked a bit too light, like too dull. So I went in with Jeffree Star Cosmetics liquid lipstick in androgyny. So hard to pronounce. But yeah, after that I just set my face with Nyx Cosmetics setting spray, and that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys.